every one of you, please, today we'll be doing EVS new chapter, lesson number 5, rules for safety. Every one of you, I'm sharing the screen with you. I hope it is visible. At the top, please write down the date and the day. Over here, today is 1.12.21. Today is a new day of this month. December month is going on. December month is going on. Underline it and write C.W. And left hand side top, you have to write today's day, which is Wednesday. Please write down, every one of you. Before starting this chapter, I would like to ask from few kids about the safety. Page number 27. Page number 27. Think about warm up. Think of why you must be very careful while crossing the road. Okay. So Ronak will tell me. Ronak, please unmute yourself. Ronak, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. While you are crossing the road, why you must be very much careful? Can you tell me?
Cars are there.
Vehicles are moving. Very good. What else? अगर आप ध्यान नहीं दोगे तो क्या होगा? You can tell me in whatever language you are comfortable.
Accident is there.
Accident might happen if you are not looking while crossing the road. Okay, very good. So now we will start reading the chapter, but now the kids will start reading the chapter rather than a ma'am, because now you are big enough to read the chapters. Prasyuk Jain, please unmute yourself and read out. And everyone should be very much, while reading, be very much careful, because I can take any of the kids' name and they should start from there or from that sentence. Okay, please unmute yourself. Prasyuk Jain, please unmute yourself. मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही. My voice is not coming. My voice is coming. Please unmute yourself. Okay, fine. Navya, please unmute yourself. Navya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Start reading. Please start reading. These लिखा है.
There. Har.
Har? What har? There are. ये पीछे कौन बोल रहा है? There are rules
that we
must
for
follow for our safety. Okay, some rules are there, we must follow it. Okay, so in this chapter we'll be seeing that what are the rules that we have to follow at home or at road. If you are not following the rules properly, it can harm you and the other person also. अगर आपने rules ढंग से follow नहीं किया तो क्या होगा, आप भी hurt हो सकते हो और जो आपके साथ जो है वो भी hurt हो सकता है. Okay, Parth, please unmute yourself and read the next sentence quickly. Good morning बच्चे.
must follow
We must follow
these rules
rules
at ये जो लाल सारा उसको लिखना है अभी follow these rules लिखना है इसको लिखना है ना.
पार्थ, बच्चे आपके जो पीछे जो बच्चा बोल रहा है, प्लीज मेक इट हिम क्वाइट. ओके, नाउ
लेकिन इतना तो नहीं है.
now listen to me very carefully. We must follow these rules at home and outside. If we do not follow these rules, we can hurt ourselves and others. This is what I have told you right now. If you are not following the rules properly at home or outside, you might hurt yourself or the other person who is with you. Tanvi, please unmute yourself. Tanvi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now, at home. At home. So please read out the next sentence.
At home, do not play with me. With fire. If you have to light a match or a candle, ask a ground up to help you.
Okay, very good. Please mute yourself. Now over here, what you have to over here the sentence say, at home do not play with fire. Fire means आग. ठीक है, आग के साथ हमें नहीं खेलना चाहिए. Why? You are very young to do that. So if you have to light a matches means अगर आपको light कैंडल जलाना है या कुछ करना है, आप लोगों के आसपास हमेशा elder people होंगे for sure. You can ask them to help you. Yes, Tanvi, you can go. Okay, now everyone please turn the page. Please turn the page. Now, Nivesh Kumar, please unmute yourself. Nivesh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please read out the next sentence.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we must not put your fingers into an
Wait. उसके ऊपर वाला. See the picture very carefully and उसके ऊपर वाला पढ़ो. Nivesh, this is the second or the third time आपने concentrate नहीं कर रहे हो, please. हाँ.
We must not play with sharp things like candy wave and
Knives and scissors.
and fears. We should
We should
always sharpen or pencil with a sharpener and not with a candy face or a blade.
Tanmay, please unmute yourself. Tanmay.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग तन्मय, ये जो सेंटेंस अभी पूरा निवेश ने पढ़ा, आप मुझे हिंदी में समझा सकते हो? कैन यू एक्सप्लेन इट, व्हाट दे वांट टू मेंट टू से?
हमें शार्प थिंग से नहीं खेलना चाहिए,
जैसे कि शार्प थिंग्स, हाँ,
जैसे चाकू या सीजर्स।
वेरी गुड। और अगर आपको पेंसिल शार्पन करना है तो क्या क्या यूज करना चाहिए?
शार्पनर।
और किसके साथ नहीं करना चाहिए?
नाइफ के साथ
या
और
ब्लेड के
ब्लेड
साथ। वेरी गुड। प्लीज रीड आउट द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस।
We must not put our fingers into an open socket. We could get a bad shock.
Okay. Now, Vedarsh, please unmute yourself. Vedarsh.
Good morning.
Good morning. Vedarsh, can you explain the sentence which Tanmay has read it out?
बिजली के
हाँ.
सॉकेट में उंगली नहीं डालनी चाहिए,
वरना क्या हो जाएगा?
तो हमें शॉक लग जाएगा।
Very good. So we not put our fingers because our fingers are very tiny, right? So we should not put our fingers which is an open socket. If you put it, what can happen? It can happen big damage. You can get a big shock. Okay. It can be a wrong thing. You can see all the kids see the picture which is being there in front of your book. Please see it. Okay. Now Vedarsh, please read out the next sentence. The next topic, outside home.
Outside home. We
Read.
must cross a road at the zebra crossing.
Good. Turn the page. Page number 27 or 29.
When we cross the road, we must look to the road.
Look to the right.
And then left. And then right again. Before we cross the road, we must not run or play on the road.
Okay. उसके नीचे जो है, very good Vedarsh. उसके नीचे जो पिक्चर है, ध्यान से देखो, उसमें क्या क्या चीज हो रहा है? There is a car, kids are playing. Some other uncle is stopping that kids that not to play at the roadside. Okay. Whenever you are playing, you can play in the playground or the where there is no road, right? And whenever you are crossing the road, make it sure that when you cross the zebra crossing, you look first the right, then the left, then the right, and then cross the road. Okay. Suppose you are crossing the road. You all can see me when you are crossing the road. Suppose in front of me there is zebra crossing, right? ऐसे चल के नहीं जाना है. You have to see the front, the left, then the right, then the left. Either way, you can see anyway. ऐसा नहीं है कि right ही देखना है पहले फिर left देखना है. No, You can see it depends on the which side you are standing, right? So see the road carefully and then cross the road. ये नहीं, अरे, I'm walking, I need to walk, I need to cross it, so I'm doing. No, whenever you are crossing the road, be patient, right? अपना patience दिखाओ, right, left देखो आराम से and then walk on. Okay, now go back to the book page again. Arnav Joshi. Arnav Joshi. Arnav Joshi. Hello. Good morning. Yeah. Now Arnav, please read out.
Walk on the footpath and not on the road.
Okay, can you explain the sentence? Can you explain the sentence?
हमको रोड पे नहीं चढ़ना चाहिए.
अच्छा, और फिर किस में चलना चाहिए?
हमको फुटपाथ.
Very good. We
Footpath
must
में जाना
always
चाहिए.
walk. Yes. जो भी आपका main road होगा, there will be always a footpath, and footpath is made up of all for those person who is walking. Okay, who is walking. Very good, Arnav. Kiyansh Pandey. Kiyansh Pandey. Please unmute yourself, Kiyansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kiyansh. Now please read out from the top.
We must never get on to a moving bus or get down from a moving bus.
That's it. That's it. Can you explain this much of what you have understood from this?
हमें चलती हुई बस में उतरना नहीं चाहिए.
और चढ़ना भी नहीं चाहिए. आप बस में गए हो बच्चे कभी?
नहीं मैम.
हाँ, आप बस में नहीं गए अभी तक? मैम प्लीज, if it is possible, make him go in. But yeah, the COVID time is going. It's not safe. सारे बच्चे जब ये कोविड टाइम सारा ठीक हो जाएगा, प्लीज मेक इट शॉर्ट. जो भी बच्चा अभी तक बस में नहीं गया है, सो मेकिंग गो, लाइक, बिकॉज वी शुड एक्सपीरियंस ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. आप स्कूल बस में भी कभी नहीं आए हो कियांश?
मैम आया हूँ.
तो फिर
स्कूल बस में नहीं ना,
स्कूल में भी गया.
Okay, so the sentence says like that whenever the bus is moving, please don't get down and get into the bus. It's not safe. Now, Seza, please read the next sentence. Seza. Dipanshi, बच्चे अपना camera proper रखो. Keep the camera properly. I can only see the bed. Seza, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Quickly read out.
We must not
Lean out.
Lean out or put our hand out of a moving bus, car or train.
Okay. So can you explain what does mean?
हमें कभी भी हिलती हुई बस से अपने हाथ बाहर नहीं निकालना चाहिए.
Very good. Moving bus, car और train. जितने बच्चे, सबके घर में कार होगा, सब जिसने बस में ट्रैवल नहीं भी किया है, कार में तो किया होगा, ट्रेन में तो किया ही होगा. तो जब भी बस, कार या ट्रेन जो है चल रहा है, ओके, कभी भी हमें हाथ या सिर बाहर नहीं निकालना चाहिए, even though the window is so big. Okay, so make it sure that, because it's not safe. हो सकता है आगे से कुछ आ जाए, पीछे से कोई ट्रैवल बस आ जाए या कार आ जाए और आपको हार्म करके चला जाए. So make it sure that you are very safe about it. Okay, so now everyone has understood the chapter. Everyone has understood the chapter. Please show me your beautiful thumb. Now, we will watch a quick video on it.